Hi, this is Crystal on behalf of Expert Village. Today we're going to make my apple caramel cake. I'm going to use this apple slicer. I like this because I find it very easy to use and easy to get the core out and to begin with slicing your apple. You set the circle over the core area and use both hands, and then you're going to press firmly down until it goes all the way through. And then you have your slices. Now, of course, we're going to cut it finer than this, but at least this gets you started and you no longer have the core in the way. Now we're going to take these apple wedges and cut it into smaller pieces. And you can just toss them in a bowl for later. Okay, so next we're going to peel and chop the rest of these apples, then we'll move on to the next step.